Hello friends, today we will discuss isomerism, and in isomerism compounds have same molecular formula but different chemical and physical properties. So these molecules are called isomers and phenomena is called isomerism. Isomerism is of two types, structural and stereoisomerism. In case of structural isomerism, compounds have same molecular formula, different structural formula. Different structural formula means relative position of different groups are changed. It is different in different compounds. And in stereoisomers, same molecular formula and same relative position of groups also, and different orientation of group. Only thing which is different in stereoisomers is different orientation or different configuration of groups or atoms present in the molecule. Here in this lecture we are going to discuss stereoisomerism. Stereoisomerism is of two types, geometrical isomerism and optical isomerism. In geometrical isomerism we will check the bond angle between ligands and metal. If it is same, it means there is no geometrical isomers, but if it is different, it means there are these two molecules are geometrical isomers. Similarly, to check optical isomerism, we will check whether there is any symmetry element. If there is any symmetry element present, it means compound will not show optical isomerism, because to represent optical isomerism it is essential to have absence of any symmetry element. First example is Ma6 type. In this, all 6 ligands are identical, and if we replace any ligand by other A ligand, the angle of all A will remain same to metal, and there is no possibility of geometrical isomerism. And to check optical isomerism, we have to see whether it has any symmetry element or not. We can visualize easily that it can have many symmetry elements, and possibility to show optical isomerism is also 0, means it will not show optical isomerism. There are 6 symmetry elements, C3, C4, S4, S6, I and sigma. Sigma means symmetry plane. Generally we check only symmetry plane. If the molecule has any symmetry plane, it means it will not show optical isomerism. So we are going to check in different examples whether they are optical and geometrical isomers. So in this example it will not show geometrical isomerism and it will not show optical isomerism also, because of presence of symmetry elements. And we can see it is symmetrical. And the next example is Ma5B. Here 1A is replaced by B, so we will check the angle with others. It can show geometrical as well as optical isomerism. No, it cannot show, because if you replace B atom by any A, you will get same configuration and it has different symmetry element also. We will check one by one each symmetry element. You can replace, you can see that if I can put this B in place of other A, I will get the same configuration. It has C2, C4 and sigma. First I check C2 whether C2 is present or not. C2 means if I rotate the molecule around C2 axis, it will have 2 times identical configuration. And Ma4B2. Ma4B2 means there are 2 B ligands. This is the cis isomer because both B ligands have 90-degree angle. Now I will check C2 and sigma plane. This is C2 axis, means if I rotate the molecule around this axis, it will have same type of configuration 2 times. So you can see C2 axis is passing between both B and through metal also. Now I will check sigma plane also, means plane of symmetry. If any molecule has plane of symmetry, it means it will not show optical isomerism. So this is the plane. You can check that this molecule has two symmetry plane which are perpendicular to each other. You can see one by one. This is first plane, both B are getting intersected, and now this is transform of Ma4B2. Transform of Ma4B2 is more symmetrical. It will have many you can say symmetry elements, and it will have geometrical isomerism with cis, because in cis there is an angle between both B is 90, and in trans the angle between both B is 180. So this is trans isomer, and we will check optical isomerism also. In optical isomerism we will check C2 and sigma. Sigma means plane symmetry. This is C2 axis. If I rotate the molecule around this C2 axis, it will have 2 times same configuration. You can see easily. I have to rotate the molecule by 360 degree. Then I will get 2 times same configuration. You can visualize how beautifully it rotates. I have to rotate the molecule around this axis. It is passing through metal and it is bisecting both B ligands also. Now I will check its other symmetry element, that is plane of symmetry. This is plane of symmetry. You can check all 4A are in the plane, and both B are, one is above the plane and one is below the plane. While in other symmetry plane there are 2 symmetry planes. Both B are inside the plane and 2A are left side of the plane and 2A are right side the plane of symmetry. So this is a symmetrical molecule. Symmetrical molecules never represent optical isomerism. To represent optical isomerism, it is an essential condition that molecule must be asymmetric. But this one is symmetric. So how can it represent optical isomerism? So this was about geometrical and optical isomerism of Ma2 B2 type monodentate complexes. Thank you.